Good morning, everyone. I'm Mr. Ball, and I teach PE. I have many passions, but this morning I want to talk to you all about water sports. I grew up in the middle of Florida, surrounded by water. I was always swimming in the ocean, lakes, and pools. I started swimming competitively when I was 7 and continued throughout high school. My love for swimming led me to try every water sport I could. Some of these included barefooting, snorkeling, skimboarding, and body surfing. If you haven't heard of barefooting, it's like water skiing, but without skis. You use your feet to skim across the top of the water. Snorkeling is another one of my favorites because it makes swimming an adventure. There's so much cool sea life to explore, especially in tropical waters. I have picked up skimboarding when I moved to California and saw people using them to glide across the thin water on the sand. Lastly, body surfing is super fun because you don't need anything but your own body to catch a wave and feel it pull you towards the shore. So I have a little short video to show you some of these water sports in action. So one of my favorite things about water sports is that you don't have to be good at them to have a lot of fun. I've definitely taken some hard falls barefooting, scraped my back on walls while snorkeling, tripped on my skimboard, and tried to body surf some waves that are way too big. But none of this has stopped me from wanting to get back in the water and try new water sports. Thank you guys.